Hey, what's up guys? It's Spike out here, and today, I just published a video like 3 seconds ago, and I am outside because my house is burning. The air conditioner is like broken, but it's not. It is so hot. I cannot go back in there. It's impossible. Anyway, in my last video that I just published a couple seconds ago, I talked to you about the Chubby Bunny Challenge, and I'm really looking forward to doing it. I don't think we're going to do it, but it's really possible. That house is so bad. I'm sweating, like literally, right now. But the Casual Peeps did the Chubby Bunny Challenge, and leave in the comments below if your house, if your house has ever lost its air conditioning is broken and it's really hot. I hope your guys' house is not hot like mine. Man, if you could feel the heat in there, oh, the kitchen is the hottest because the oven was just on, and they were cooking dinner. We decided to eat our dinner outside because it was hot. It was really hot inside that then. And the wind started blowing and my sandwich blew across the table, and now I'm starving. I'm probably going to wake up at midnight saying, "Mom, I'm starving. What am I going to do? What am I going to do?" So, hope you guys enjoy your day. Please leave a like and subscribe. Oh, remember, in the comments, has your air conditioning ever been broken? That's weird. I know. I'm a weird person. Anyway, that's all for today. Be sure to watch the video I just posted. It's called Chubby Bunny Challenge. Here we come. Maybe. So, see you guys later. Bye.